OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card is designed especially for people who have absolutely no credit history or have very bad credit history due to things like bankruptcy. If you're looking for a credit card with easy credit approval and low fees, then the OpenSky Visa Credit Card is right for you. In this video today, I will give a full review of this credit card, pros and cons, so you'll get the good things and the bad things. If this sounds interesting to you, stick around.
There are 5 reasons I like the OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card. First, easy credit approval. Second, with this secured credit card, no bank account is necessary. Third, no hard inquiry will appear on your credit report. Fourth and fifth, low interest for a secure card with a low annual fee. Get easy credit approval with the OpenSky Secured Credit Card with no bank account needed. One thing I really like about OpenSky is that they offer resources to help people learn more about how to build their credit fast.
Back 10 years or so, secured credit cards were a lot different and a lot more expensive. Typically, a $500 security deposit would be required, and you would then be subject to a higher annual fee, somewhere between $75 and $95. In addition, some of these cards had monthly maintenance fees, and those could be anywhere from $7.50 to $12 a month. So that adds up fast.
Not only does OpenSky explain how secured credit cards work, they also let you know that when you open a OpenSky Secured Credit Card, a hard inquiry will not appear on your credit report. As you can see from the last sentence of the screenshot, you can get the OpenSky Secured Credit Card with no bank account. The OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card has a lower interest rate compared to many other secured credit cards. Many other cards start their interest rates 22% or higher. At the timing of this video, OpenSky's interest rate is only 18.64%.
There are two things that people have complaints about when it comes to the OpenSky Secured Visa Card. The first thing is the customer service. It's not been known to be the best. So knowing that, usually you don't really need to call customer service that much. But if you do, I would suggest being patient, walk through your problem, and then hopefully a resolution can be found for you. The second thing that people complain about with OpenSky is that it runs very slow. And that's understandable with secured credit cards because they're expecting a deposit before they issue the card. And if you do a direct deposit from your debit card, that process will be expedited. But if you do a money order or a wire transfer, then that process is going to be slower. So if anybody who has been watching this video today has used OpenSky, can you please leave your experience in the comments below? If you're looking to rebuild credit even faster, consider getting a self-lender credit builder loan. I just did a review on self-lender last week, and if you'd like to see the full review, just click on the card located in this video. The great thing about my self-lender review is that I actually use self-lender to help rebuild my credit, so I show you a first-hand account of how it helped me to increase my credit score. Hopefully by now you have a clearer picture if the OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card is right for you. But if you need more information, please visit our site, CreditFast.com, type in OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card for our full review article. If you found this content of this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.
Now that you know more about CreditFast.com, follow our updates on social media. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, or share this video with a friend. Going into more detail, our full review article is linked below in the description, as well as information on how you can apply for the OpenSky Secured Credit Card.